Take a ride in the 2020 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, cloth seat trim. Come see the car for yourself.